Hello, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we want to code a Python script that will fetch the gold prices from capital.com, which, as they claim, is an award-winning trading platform in UAE. The first thing you need to do, well, of course, registering in their platform, and then you need to have your API keys. Before that, you need to enable two-factor authentication and just create a API key. You will give it a label and you need to set a custom password for it. And so when you go to the documentation, when you come from here, trading API documentation, you will see that they have their guidelines and list of their REST API and endpoints and everything. For this specific video, we will just use some unofficial SDK that I found. Well, I wouldn't call it SDK, maybe a library that does the trick for us. So let's grab the documentation URL. Then let's go to Cursor and give the prompt to AI. I will use Claude 3.5 Sonnet for this video and we will see. I want to write a very simple Python script that will fetch the gold prices from capital.com. Here is the API documentation. Here is the Python library that we will use. Okay, let me give the library name to it as well so that it doesn't hallucinate. Make sure that you will check the documentation of the library and check the installed Python package by running those inline Python scripts to see the internal classes and functions that the library has. Do not guess anything and keep it simple. For the credentials value, for now, hard code dummy values, I will let you know what to do later on. Why I told the model to put dummy values. Okay, wait, sorry. I already have the library installed. It wanted to install it. So why I told it to put dummy values, the reason is because when you ask the model to do many things at the same time, it hallucinates and it's hard to keep track of the changes. So we'll go step by step. It shouldn't take that much time. It should be pretty simple. But remember, this is fresh new. I'm kind of new to capital.com APIs, and I don't think the model have that much information about this platform. Okay, now it wants to run a Python script to load the content of it. That I prompted the AI. Let's run it. I prompted the AI to check and not guess. Okay, you see, it got the packages. Now it's checking everything, so it's on the right path. Okay, now it's creating a new Python file. So I want it, as you can see here in the client, we have client in the capital.com library, we have client and we have client demo. In case of live production API, I want to use the client. In case of the demo, I want to use the client demo. then we will construct the instruct the AI to build it that way for us. So let's see what it is. API key, username, password. Okay, let's see if it got the client from the right place. So log pass. Okay, so I know the username is actually the email. So I have these values. So let's feed it to AI. Let's go step by step. For the credentials, load the following environment variables from OS. Do not use .env or anything. Okay, it is attached to the, yeah, it is attached to the text. As you can see here, it attached lines four lines, I think, or 3 lines to the chat. The value of the environment variables are attached to the message. I've seen sometimes when you attach something to the message, it hallucinates. Let's see if, no, yeah, you see, it hallucinates. Here you can see that it hallucinated. Okay, let's do it this way. Let's get them one by one. No, here are the ENVs. Okay. API key, email, password. Okay, email, password, API key. I have a doubt that the order login password. Okay. So first is email, here, password, API key, correct? Yes, the order is like this. Okay. Okay, so let's do something. Let's move it to the right place. Actually, let's create a notebook to run this. You need to put your env files in the .env with the structure of this .env .example file. But let's actually use the capital use demo or not, so that we do not touch the live endpoints. So capital use demo. When you were investigating the library, you could see that there is a demo client as well. Based on the following env, decide which client to use. Okay. Client class, app client class, use demo. Okay, it makes sense. So let's accept the code and okay, let's create a Jupyter notebook. Python, correct. Writes from .env import load.env, then run it. Okay, now what is the function that we have? Get gold price. From gold price import get gold price, and let's call it. Okay, let's have some, yeah. Okay, let's execute it. Okay, there is an error. Let me see if I can attach it to the thread. No, let's copy paste it. Let's see what the model does. Okay, now it needs to investigate the library a little bit. Okay, I think there was something wrong with the imports. Maybe, yeah, of course. Let's see how it fixes it. Live client, demo client. Okay. I think this time it should work. So let's run this cell again. And there we go. So it's okay. Offer, you see, let's say $3,200, right? The currency is USD and $3,200. Of course, there are a lot of fields and variables here that we do not want. We could have cleared it up, but it doesn't matter. We just wanted to see if the API works. So around 3,200. That's enough. Let's check. Yeah. Okay, 3241.36. Almost the same, right? Cool. That's it. In the next videos, we will start building some logic on how to put orders in capital.com. I hope you liked the video. See you soon.